Hi, Amy Harrop here, and I'm really excited to welcome you to Instant Expert Niche Kit's January Jumpstart. This is designed to do one thing, and that is to help you make as many sales as quickly as easily as possible with the type of content people are buying in quarter one. Now, in the last end of the year, we have people who are buying a lot of gifts for other people and things like that. In the first quarter of the year, people are really turning inward, they're getting focused, they are looking for things to make their lives go smoother and easier. And we are putting that together so you can get what these people want to them as quickly and easily as possible. What's great about this, though, is it does encompass a large variety of different types of content. The three main niches we're focusing on here are home and organization, wellness, and finance and money management. So these cover pretty much a lot of different aspects of people's lives. But what we've done is we've put this together so you can actually tap into what people are specifically looking for. So what we're including is you get three complete guides on these three niches, and these are data driven and they're drilling down into again what people are looking for, what they're not finding out in the marketplace, and what's motivating them. And you also get very specific content and instructions on what to sell and how to sell it and where to sell it. But that's just really the tip of the icebergs as far as these go. You're also getting action plans, and you're getting basically two different tracks of content. You're getting the type of specialized information that you need for printables and low content types of products, and then you're also getting the types of content that you need for longer form materials like books and things along those lines. In addition to that, we're also giving you 9 done for you rebrandable planners. And these are really designed to help people take advantage of that driving focus for quarter one, which is making their life organized, making their life better, saving money. And planners are very wide applications and fit a variety of that. Them different angles. In addition, you're also getting long tail book profit plans. These help you tap into creating longer form types of content like nonfiction books and things like that. We're giving you the types of topics, angles, and what people want. And what's great about that too is we're taking a look at the competitive landscape so you're seeing what's working out there, what isn't working, and how you can get involved so you're not having to deal with all that type of competition. And that's really what this is about. It's about allowing you to make the types of sales quickly and easily, whether you're selling planners, books, doing blogs, doing printables, doing workbooks. It's designed to cover that frenzy around quarter one and allowing you to take advantage of all of that low-hanging fruit. Providing a custom GPT that allows you to take any of this type of content. You simply have to upload the niche guide, for example, and it'll give you a very detailed outline. You can then expand with whatever you want to build out. So it's really an A to Z solution for making sure you make the most out of quarter one, and really, again, taking advantage of the fact that people are there and they're ready and willing to buy. You're just giving them what they want.